What's good, YouTube? Uh, I just woke up. Well, no, I just got up, and I'm about to go run some errands with my mama. So this is just like get ready with me. Yeah, and it's my first video, so yeah, that's okay. It. So I'm about to pick out my outfit. Yeah, I already know what I'm gonna wear too. Okay. So I'm gonna wear this shirt. But don't mind this. I just washed it. But yeah, and then I was gonna wear jeans, but I might go get my toes done, and like, who got time for that? So I'm gonna wear some shorts today. Well, I think it's hot. Alexa, what's the weather outside? It's supposed to be sunny, and it's supposed to thunderstorm, so that's cool. I just really don't feel like wearing jeans if I'm gonna go get my toes done. That's a struggle. But yeah, let's get on with the video. What's up, YouTube? This is voiceover Lene. I'm just gonna show you what I've been doing for my makeup look today. I first start off with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, and I just put that all over. Next, I do my eyebrows. I don't really do much to them because I like a more natural look, but I use 3 products for them. I use the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil with spoolie. I use the e.l.f. clear eyebrow gel, and I use the e.l.f. duo gel and powder eyebrow set thing. I don't know what to call it, but yeah. First of all, don't mind my edges. You're gonna see them closer up in a little minute. They just don't look right at all, but yeah, there you go. You see, they don't look right. But first I take the eyebrow gel and the spoolie, and I just clean up my eyebrows and have something for the powder and the gel to set on. I sometimes mix them, and sometimes I don't, because I like a more natural look, so I don't really clean them up. So next, I like to take my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Apricot, and I use that as my eyeshadow primer. And I just take a concealer brush and I blend it all out. I sometimes like to blend up towards my eyebrows so I can clean them up a little, but not that much. Then I take my Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and I use the light brown shade at the top for my transition color. So now I'm just blending everything out. And by the way, take your time with blending always. You want to make sure it looks good and nice and clean. So now I'm going to take my MAC Studio palette and I'm going to use this basically shimmer shade, or it's like a shimmery brown shade. And I'm going to use that all over my lid and just basically make it look like a cut crease, but not a cut crease, if that make any sense. But I like glitter, so I like it to shimmer and shine and all that. But yeah, now I'm just blending all that out. So now I'm gonna go back with my Wet n Wild palette, and then I'm gonna take the shimmery shade in that palette. I'm just gonna basically cover it up, put more shine to the look just in general. So I like to define it. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for, define. So now, after me blending all that out, I'm gonna put on eyeliner, and I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. I'm gonna do all that off camera, but the eyelashes that I'm using are the Kiss Faux Mink lashes. They're in the yeah, there they go. They're in the Style Gala. Yeah. So there I am, and now it's time to do my hair. Right now I'm just detangling it because obviously it looks like a bird's nest. Yeah, I was gonna say a mess, but a bird's nest. So now I'm just detangling it, and then I'm gonna flat iron it. But y'all are gonna see like a time lapse of it basically. So yeah. Okay, so I finished my hair. I think it looks decent. Oh, sorry for my phone moving. It does gonna do that a lot in the video, but yeah. I use my Milani Make It Last setting spray just to make sure my look stays in for the rest of the day. So then I use my all-time favorite lip gloss, like ever. I get it from the hair store and it's really good, like ask anybody. So then after I put my lip gloss on and whatnot, I'm gonna put in my earrings, which are my hoops, which everybody knows that I wear hoops everywhere, all day, every day. But yeah, I put in my hoops, and I'm listening to music right now. Actually, I'm listening to Justin Bieber, the Journals album. Y'all should, the best album he's ever done, honestly. But yeah. So then that's basically the look, and now I'm gonna show you what my outfit looked like.
rolling, not a stopwatch. Don't ever stop.
Okay. Hey YouTube. I'm back from my little errand trip thing. I know my hair looks a mess. Hold up. Okay. I'm gonna be showing y'all like a mini haul. I would show you like the dresses I got, but basically if you see the dresses in the other clips or whatever, it's just the black one and the red one that I got. I didn't get the yellow one, but it's what I got from Five and Below and Marshalls. Yeah, no, wait, I didn't get nothing from Marshalls besides the dresses, but I got this selfie stick with a mic, because as you can tell my mic is really broken, so look out for that better quality stuff. And so I got that, and then I got some more headphones because my headphones jacked up. I only have headphones that only one works, so I had to get me some new ones. I got a tripod, so be on the lookout for like better angles and stuff, like, because if you look on like the rest of the clips before this, like you could see like how my phone kept sliding because I couldn't really find a good place to put it. So I finally got a tripod. I was really gonna order mine from Amazon, but I seen it in the store and I just had to get it. And then I did get one thing from Marshalls. I got this charcoal teeth thingy majigger. I already had one of these, but my mom got me another one, so I got a pink lemonade, but I mean that's nothing really. But that's just the end of the video. So thank you for watching, and be on the lookout for more. Come back and subscribe. Like and comment below too. I really do appreciate it.